Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man, Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA of Dayton. We're out here shooting another episode of The Customer's House. What we did in here was we took some windows and made them into a door and redesigned the window over top of the kitchen sink. So if you want to come on in the house, we'll take a look at what went on. All right, so let's go on back to the master bedroom and check out what we did back there first. So here's where we had a twin unit that stopped about right here, and the customer wanted to put in a door so they could walk out of their master bedroom and go right outside. And so we put in a 5-foot sliding door from Provia with the cherry laminate finish on the inside. And I think it turned out really well. Guys put some lumber down at the bottom for a threshold and then capped everything. We did have to cut brick on this one, so we're definitely not worried about doing anything like that. Always remember, we'll put windows where they're not. All right, so let's go on out into the living room where we replaced a couple windows and take a look at the window over the kitchen sink. So here in the living room area is one of the double hungs that we put in, and this was a pocket install where we took out the existing window but kept the original frame of the original window and put this window inside that. Now let's go check out that kitchen sink. So here at the kitchen sink, there used to be a twin double hung unit right here. We had to do a full frame extraction and take everything out, and then we added some jamb extensions in here and put in this nice awning window to give the customer a big view of out back. Here we are on the outside of that kitchen sink window we were just talking about. Just wanted to show everybody what it looked like on the outside with the exterior capping wrapped around the window. And that'll wrap us up. So thanks for joining me for another episode of The Customer's House. Hope you enjoyed it.